Thanks for watching this Acumatica video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the enhancements to Acumatica 2020 R2, specifically for field services. So you can see here, I'm in the middle of an appointment screen, and there's a few changes I want to talk about. The first is we now have the ability to click Add Items. And if you're familiar with sales orders, you'll know that this lookup gives you the ability to show only available items. So the ability to look up items and see their available stock and only show and filter by and also use the sold since can be really helpful for adding the items that are specific to that appointment, but only the items you have in stock. So that's been enhanced. Also, what's been added is the ability to start, pause, and resume your appointment. So for example, if a service technician needs to take a meal break, they can simply pause and that'll put that appointment on hold, and then they can come back and resume, and Acumatica will continue to track the time accordingly. Now you'll notice having a travel item on this, and as we get started, and then later if we need to pause, and then again resume, all of this information shows up under your log. So you can see what happened here. We still have the air conditioning repair service in process, but Acumatica also logged this travel time because we started and stopped. Notice there's 0 minutes here because I did it very quickly. Also, this ability to pause and resume, all of this works on the mobile app as well. Also, you'll notice Acumatica now has in its calendar preferences the ability to have different colors for paused appointments. So you can define those here and make your changes accordingly. This can be very helpful for visually seeing quickly which appointments are currently paused, which appointments are validated, completed, in process, and get a good idea of what's going on at any given time. Another new feature that's been added is the ability to create multi-day appointments. So if we go over to the settings of the appointments, you can see you now have the start date and end date here. All of this has been changed to give you a good indication and ability to stretch out through multiple days. And of course, this will now show up across the calendar. So if we view this on the calendar, and we'll change our calendar to a monthly, you can see our appointment now stretches across multiple days. Lastly, when we're looking at items that are added to our appointment or our service order, so for example, we need, for this particular order, we need a laptop. We can't always fulfill this item on the fly. We may not have it in stock, we might not have it with us, or maybe it's a special order. Acumatica now has a mark for PO, and this gives you the ability to purchase to service order or purchase to appointment. So this is where the item will be fulfilled. And you have an option to purchase to service order or purchase to appointment. Purchase to appointment ensures that this item will be available for this particular appointment, as opposed